Guys, so I wanted to review this Lokithor JP400 multifunction jump starter. Now it's a jump starter and a tire inflator. It can jump start up to 6.5 liter diesel vehicles or 8.5 liter gas vehicles. So the thing I like about this is it is a compact design. Usually with the combo deals here, you're going to get a much larger product, which is pretty nice. It does have a light. It has a built-in like power bank feature. It has a strobe light feature. And this is the power bank here where you can, it's USB-C or USB-A. These are the jump starting cables. These just plug into the side. You've got a little bag here. It's like a little nylon bag. And then these little parts. I do like that these parts come in an actual carrying case rather than just a small plastic bag. And this is what it looks like with the jumper cables attached. Now let's come around and say you've got a dead vehicle. You're going to want to take this, pop it on the hood, and black to negative, red to positive. I kind of go in that order. It's going to determine the voltage of your battery. Now this is 12.5. You know, this battery is fine, but we're going to come around and do the jump start. We're going to press your automatic button. Hopefully your car does start up. Now at this point, you're going to want to drive it around, charge the battery up, and hopefully then drive it to somewhere where you can get a new battery or get the battery replaced. And then once you're done with this, leave it on for maybe a minute. Take the black off or the negative off, and then after that the red, the positive, and then you are set to go. Now I do like that this does show the actual voltage on here so that you can let the tech know when you're getting your battery changed or if you're doing it yourself. Now this also comes with a tire inflator, which automatically stops with the preset. So you can do a preset for a vehicle, motorcycle, bike, or ball. And for those other things, you would go ahead and use the actual attachments. Now this does shut off when you reach the preset tire inflation amount, which is really nice. So you don't have to actually stop it and keep an eye on it. You can just plug it up, press start, and just not pay attention. So this, I just wanted to go up to 35. I think tires are regularly 36, but I wanted to go a little bit under because it was a little bit of a hotter day. And you just pop this off, put your tire plug back on, and I would definitely recommend this, guys. I do like the compact size. It comes with everything you need to get started, so go ahead and check this out.